Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I also thank the Honorable Kumar for the questions. Earlier this year, we visited Levuka to have a look at the heritage areas. We have good discussions with stakeholders there in Levuka. And from that discussions, we have formed a committee that's to review and have a look at the heritage sites. From the budget that was given to us for this year, we have given 19,000 for operations, and a rollover from 22-23 and 23-24 was 1.5 million, which happens to renovate the Levuka Community Center. From the brief that was given to me yesterday, it should be completed by the end of this month. Unfortunate for that funds, it's not enough to fully equip the center, which we might need additional funds for that. In regards to the deed of cession sites, the first phase was supposed to be fencing and walkway, and the second one was supposed to be the seawall, the walls and the drainage. We decided if we can change it around, do the walls and the drainage first so that the foundation is compact before we carried out the fencing and the walkway. They have already getting quotations for the contractors to carry it out. And we have provided Levuka Town Councils with the 50,000 that we're supposed to provide them. The review teams have, the committee have already also reviewed the reports that was done after Winston. They've just picked those who urgently need the repair. And those ones we'll try and propose it through next year's budget for funding. Thank you.